back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you another day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. We're gonna special take a look at Chainlink because it has pumped almost parabolically and is approaching the significant zone of $20. So where do we go from next? Well, let's take a look at charts. So first of all, let's take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the one ruling the crypto market as of now. We're gonna see how it will evolve during the bull run, but as of yet, Bitcoin moves first and then altcoins. So if you take a look at Bitcoin and zoom out of it, we can see we created double bottom formation December 2022. First leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, third and final leg up, and you know what comes next? A double top formation, and that is where we move in 3 steps to the downside, just as we did to the upside, just in reverse order. So first leg down, first retrace, second leg down, second retrace, third and final leg down, double bottom formation, move out there in 3 steps again. So that's the name of the game for the market maker, to lure in some traders going long and going short at the wrong moment. So as I told you in my last daily update, the low to break is 38.6k. Then we have a clear double top formation. I do think we could grab this last zone of liquidity and open orders from 43.9 to 46k approximately. I would like us to tap into that zone and then move to the downside again in 3 steps. And the liquidity to the downside then is located at 33k to approximately 30. Next leg after that is 28k and then 27k, which we could bottom out at. You never know, but we'll see when or if we break this low at 38.6k, because we're going to do that at some point. Not financial advice, it's just for education and entertainment purposes only. So wait for that before you go short, not financial advice. But this is the low to break before we have a confirmation and we're gonna go lower, because it is much needed. We had an explosive run to the upside. I hope you load it up in that zone, this accumulation zone, because the next leg down will be the last one before we get that parabolic move and interest rates will get lower and money printing is back on, because that's gonna come this year possibly. Looking at the news events for this week, we had Jerome Powell speaking, we have the ISM services. Other than that, pretty slow week. Not much is going to happen this week. We had the FOMC last week, so this kind of slow week, which is good. Then we know that we're not going to get any surprise news events, which is going to shock the market. So a free week, so to say. Looking at the liquidation map, the 3-day chart, we can see a lot of liquidation points here at 43.5k, approximately 161 million at that exact price point. So keep that in mind. We could tap into that zone. We have open orders, which I showed you in that zone as well. So yeah, be very careful that could tap into that zone and then move down, because lower we don't have much money to be grabbed for the market maker. So I think 43.5k is almost certain if nothing strange happens, not financial wise. Now let's take a look at the big boy Chainlink. So I discussed it briefly in my last great day trading update that we had a pretty small third leg up, and I've revised this market maker structure because we had a pretty small drop in the second leg up, as you see here. Then we have third and final leg up, which is pretty small. So it's great that we broke out of it and that we can make sense of this, because the double top formation is gonna come pretty soon. And I told you about the $20 mark, which is very close right now. We have a volume candle which is unrecovered at the $20 mark, and I do think it's a pretty psychological zone as well, because $20 is a round number. It was a long time since we were at that point, and I do think we're gonna get that almost euphoric move when we get to that point. So yeah, you can see last time we were at this point was at January 2022, So pretty interesting. Let's see if we have another volume candle which is unrecovered at this point. No. I think this one is a volume candle. Yeah, it is. So let's mark it off in the chart to have the next zone above, which is at approximately $30, $30 to $32. So we could have a run up to that zone as well. It wouldn't be strange, but then Bitcoin needs to behave. And if Bitcoin behaves, we could go to $30, which is the next impulse target to the upside. And by the way, I'm using the PVSRA tool to mark off these volume candles which are unrecovered. You can use it as well, it's free. So yeah, I do however expect a double top formation on Bitcoin and on Chainlink as well, which is going to form around the $20 mark for Chainlink. Next target to the downside, big volume candle cluster down to $15.2, break that, $11, and then we could tap on it into this range from, yeah, it is from $9.7 down to $7.6. We were in a range for over a year, accumulation zone, wyckoff or whatever you want to call it, from $6 to $8.5. It would be great if we tapped into that zone for the last time to clear these open orders. As you can see, big volume candle cluster. It would be great to clear this and then move out there in an explosive run to the upside to 3 digits, because we do expect that, not financial advice, for Chainlink this coming bull run. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. Big boss out.